HARTING Han-modular connectors provide designers the ability to combine multiple transmission media in a single, compact connector. Han-modular allows designers to build custom connectors with modular inserts for electrical, optical, and pneumatics. Electrical inserts include power, signal, high-speed data, circuit protection, identification, and Ethernet switching for connecting industrial IoT devices. Up to 6 modules can be combined in one hood with multiple configurations and materials available to suit different application needs, including hoods rated up to IP69K. HARTING Han-modular's ability to deliver multiple connection types in a single connector reduces the total solution size, shortens installation time, and allows designers to adapt the connector as the application needs change.